Document versions in macOS will let us view and recover different snapshots of a document as it changes over time. For it to work correctly, it does require an active Time Machine backup to be connected to your Mac. Let's start in a Pages document. From the File menu, if you see the Revert To item, you know that the app works with the Document Versions feature. Select Browse All Versions, and we're brought into a Time Machine-like interface. The current version of the document is on the left, and to the right we can cycle back through older versions of the document. Use the timeline on the far right to select a specific version. A version is saved each time you manually save the document, or each time the Mac does an autosave. So you can end up with a lot of small changes and adjustments that are all saved in here. Click on either the left or right version of the document to expand it in this interface. One neat thing you can do from here is copy text from an older version, then click Done, and paste that copied text into the current version or into any other document. So let's recover one of the very first versions of this document, one that only has a few pages in it. Click Restore, and in Pages, the older version loads and can now be edited again like normal. If I browse all versions again, I'm still able to access the version of the document that we started with. I just need to go back one snapshot. Document versions is going to work in all the iWork apps, Pages, Numbers, and Keynote, as well as apps like TextEdit, Preview, and Pixelmator Pro. Again, to see if an app supports document versions, go up to the File menu and look for the Revert To option.